able to gather pretty comfortably. Well, Daniel Jones on the march here. He might do it all himself. It's Jones! He's so unlucky. Jones's corner, Olifinjana's header. And Michael Hughes with a little stroke of fortune. And that's a foul on Clark by Hudson, who's unhappy about it. But Mr. Stroud showing him no sympathy. He felt his shirt was being tugged. It's curled in all the way! Lewis Coburn has scored his first goal for Wolves in unusual fashion. The teasing delivery, and it beat everybody. Completely deceived Turner. Well, he's off the mark in Wolves' colours. Shefki Kuchi, Friedman! Well, he's come back to haunt his former club, and he may well have stolen a point for them.